think the time has come when we're all going to have to start wearing a mask. And I don't know about you, but I do not like the surgical mask. I find I touch my face all the time. So I thought I'd show you how to make a mask out of your favorite scarf. And you can mix it up depending on what you're wearing. So this is one of my favorite scarves. And it's cotton too, which makes it really absorbent as you're breathing into it, depending how long you're wearing it for. Little paper towel, I've just cut it in an oblong shape. It's actually a serviette. And then you just fold your scarf, the same shape as your serviette. Make sure the selvage ends are folded in so it's nice and smooth. Take a rubber band. I'm using 2 hair ties that I've got. One on each side. Make sure that they're sitting to the end of your paper towel in there. You fold in each side of the scarf, or the ends, and then you use your little rubber bands and voila! Over both ears, a fashionable face scarf mask.